Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make money on Cash App by playing games. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure your Cash App is updated and ready. Open the app, go to your profile, and head into the Linked Banks section. Here, you can connect your debit card or bank account. This step is important because it allows you to move money in and out easily once you start earning. Now, let's talk about legit earning platforms. Some popular options include Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. These platforms pay you for completing tasks like playing games, answering surveys, and trying offers. Once you earn enough points, you can convert them into real money, usually through PayPal or gift cards. Another great option, especially for Android users, is Mist Play. This app rewards you just for playing mobile games. As you level up and spend more time in games, you earn points that can later be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can also check out Pawns.app, which offers multiple ways to earn, including playing games and sharing your internet connection. It also has referral programs that can boost your earnings over time. Now, here's how you move that money to Cash App. Most of these platforms pay via PayPal or direct deposit. Once you receive your money in PayPal, you can transfer it to your linked bank account and then move it into Cash App. Alternatively, some platforms allow you to add a debit card if your Cash App card is linked. You can receive funds directly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make money on Cash App by playing games. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.